Pete's been doing keto, so I thought we'd get him on video to talk to you about the success he's had from it, and also some of the things he's enjoyed about it, in case anyone else is wanting to get healthier. Pete.
Hello.
So how much have you lost?
9 kgs.
And how long have you been doing it?
It's 7 weeks on Sunday.
Monday.
Monday, sorry.
You started it on a Monday. Okay, awesome. I've got some quick fire questions here I'm going to ask you. What has surprised you most?
How easy it was to lose weight and how good some of the food is.
And have you actually been hungry while you've been doing keto?
No, I haven't. I haven't been needing snacks or anything, so it's been good.
Lots of proteins, eh?
Yeah.
What have you missed the most?
It's probably my little bowl of chips I used to have every night, but I've replaced that with salted peanuts and pork crackle now, so pretty much similar.
And what's been easier than you expected?
Meal preparation, I was a bit worried about it, but it's been quite simple.
Especially with all the kids, and we're often making 2
Yeah.
or 3 different meals. Yeah. What have you really liked about it?
All the fatty food you can eat, bacon, steaks, and lots of eggs.
Do you feel any different after losing the 9 kgs?
Yep, I feel a lot healthier, fitter, and seem more clearer in the head.
That's the lack of sugar. Are you going to carry on?
Yep, carry on. Got a goal weight to reach, and also our son's getting married in November, so I want to look smart.
What would you say to somebody else who was wanting to lose a bit of weight and get a bit healthier?
I'd say give keto a go. It's can be a struggle in the first week, but once you get through that, it's like you just watch the weight fall off.
It's nothing else has really worked for you before, eh? So this is...
Yeah, I cut out dairy about 2 years ago, and that worked a little bit, but it didn't lose very much weight. So we may have to do a part 2 because I found some keto food that's quite good, and got some tips.
Yeah, a lot of the keto bread is like a dish sponge in texture and taste, and we've found one. I'm actually eating it too. That is really good, toasted or untoasted. So we could potentially share that if enough of you want to see part 2.